Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 11. How to find bonuses for affiliate offers. In this video, we will see how you can find bonuses for the affiliate offers you promote, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on plr.me and select that pricing option from the top right. Here scroll a little bit and click on this See Pricing Options button. Here you can see their pricing table. How many credits they give per month in each plan, and below we can see their pricing. Below they have more information about it. Scroll above and you can see that they have the biggest and best selection with 68 plus topical categories, including health, wellness, personal development, finance, business, marketing, you name it. They have sorted their categories alphabetically. Select your niche from here and it says 228 plus helping others and accepting help PLR content. Then their featured content, and below you can see all their products. Next is idplr.com and this is its official homepage. On the top right, we have this register for free button for free registration. Next is plrassassin.com and this is its pricing page. Click on this Join Today tab to reach here. So they have two plans, one is free that supports 100 basic downloads for $0. And VIP plan that supports 12,000 plus downloads for $19 per month. In its members area, you can see their products categories including ebooks, software, audio, graphics, videos, articles, with the different licensing options. Let's select private label rights from software. Here you can see all their software products with PLR license. Next is PLR products, click on this home tab to reach its homepage. Here also you can see their featured products, and more products as well. Go to PLR articles on top and select PLR reports from it. And here you can see all their PLR report products with their price. You can add to cart the products of your choice. To search, enter your keyword in this top right search bar and search. So now you will get all the products related to your search term with their price. Click on one and here you can see all its details along with its licensing terms. It says, yes, can give away ebook, PDF format, yes, can be used as a bonus, PDF format. And that's all you need to offer this product as a bonus. Check the price of the product and you can add it to your cart from here. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 12. How to use CB Engine. In that video, we will see how you can use CB Engine step by step. See you in the next tutorial.